underprivileged communities that Make-A-Wish and the granted. We build anti-gang clubhouses.
Colonel Athletic Center.
We collaborated in that. Lindsay, oh, such a tragedy. What an amazing woman. She had a genius for corporate giving.
And it doesn't bother you that the money came from a company that pushes soda?
No, not a bit. The Brooks family fortune is in philanthropy now.
That's Lindsay with mushrooms on her salad.
Oh, there were no mushrooms on the menu. Oh, Emma? Emma is my granddaughter. Lindsay's death was a terrible blow to her. Oh, there you are. Now pull up the photos from Monday night for the detective.
Sure. There you go. So Lindsay was your friend? More like my big sister. We met in rehab.
No need to air our dirty laundry, Emma. Emma's parents died when she was 10. I've done my best since, but Lindsay was a breath of fresh air for her.
You suggest more mushrooms. Lindsay's plate no notice.
Who put them there?
Oh, we had over 300 guests.
Who took these? I did. We also had photographers taking photos. We're gonna need copies of them.
Who is this guy? It seems you have this job in there.
He's just a homeless guy looking for food.
No. No, he accosted Lindsay. Jealous.
About what?
Well,